Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add favorites on your iPhone. Specifically here, I want to show how to add several contacts into your favorites so that you can reach them easily. First thing we're gonna do is open into the contacts by clicking this phone symbol application, and then after that go into the contacts button. And now you can choose which contact that you want to add into the favorite, or you can simply by type the name on the search button. I want to add my mom, and then after you find it, just click it, and after that you can see in this bottom here there is add to favorite. Just click it, and then you can choose what you want to add as favorite. Either you want to message, call, or video. If you want to message, just click the mobile number, and then now it's already added into the favorite. How to check? Just go into the favorites, and you can see that here the name of your several specific contact is already in the favorites. But if you want to add it for another way, we can go into the plus button. So we can go into these favorites and then click the plus button on the left side corner, and then after that just choose what other contact that you want to have. For me, I want to add my father's too, and then just like the same this previous one, and now it's already added into the favorites too. So that's all how you add the favorites. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.